Why are you eating like a savage beast?
Dragon.
You're being a Viking?
No, dragon.
Oh, you're being a dragon. That's how dragons eat? Just make sure you chew. Chew, chew, chew. Get that train through. It hasn't snowed yet.
No. They're calling for like between like 4 and 8 inches.
Yeah.
Here?
Yeah.
I don't think so.
We'll see.
Alright, well it's winter time and they're gonna come out. I'm gonna film them coming out, okay? Alright, come on out. Woo! There's Briz and Boo.
Hey guys.
And Dee Dee. And Mama.
What is it? What is that down there?
Wow, it's deep.
I can't believe it snowed so much here.
I know. It's so deep.
We usually don't get this much snow.
I don't get this much snow this early, that's for sure. It usually only snows in like February. Yeah, but this is a good snow. Look at that table.
It's kind of really wet snow, you
Yeah.
can tell.
Yeah.
Just not good. We are not prepared because we don't have any gloves that you can actually like build snowballs with.
Yeah.
So they're just gonna be
Look at her
really
over
cold.
here. What are you guys doing? Huh? Wow, you guys will be soaking wet.
Guys, like, what is this stuff? What is this stuff?
It's your first snow, buddy. First big snow.
Where he was big enough to go out.
Yeah,
He was a
yeah.
baby.
The other
Last
one
year he was a
baby.
little bitty baby. Like a snowball. Throw it at Daddy. There you go.
Uh-oh. Ah! Whoa!
Wow. Do you like the snow, Briz?
I like walking.
You like walking in the snow? You go outside. Ready? Hey, you're okay.
Oh, you didn't like that, did he?
You didn't like the slide?
Hey, I took out a ball.
Yeah.
You survived, big boy. You're okay.
We're gonna have some hot chocolate pretty soon here. I guess the first snow that I remember was I don't know how old I was, but I just remember being up to my knees. It's the first one I can remember. I remember like tumbling around, like swimming around in it. You know. What was your first snow?
I don't know. It snowed all the time where I was, so.
Yeah.
I mean, I just remember building big snow forts in the snow drifts.
Yeah.
And then also playing fox and the geese. You know, where you build a circle and then paths. Someone's the fox and then the other people
snow
are the
at
geese.
me. Yeah.
Oh, she is. And then you chase each other and stuff.
Hey, Boo.
Did I?
Get Briz right there. We missed. Come on, Dad. Get your aim on.
I got you. I got Boo.
What is it, big boy?
Soft.
What is it, big boy?
Soft.
Snow. It's snow. Good job, Dee.
Get the snow.
See?
Got the karate chop action. Oh my. Oh my goodness.
Holy cow.
Snoopy.
Gosh. So tonight I want to dare Carissa to come out here in her underwear and lay down in the snow.
Like we're gonna like I'm gonna show that to you even if I do it. That will not be footage. We would do stuff like that all the time as kids, though.
Yeah.
We'd always go out and dare each other to do stuff barefoot and whatnot. Okay, so the smart ones are already inside. Dee's asleep. Me and Birds were freezing, so we're in. But Dad and Boo are still out there. I think they're playing like hide and seek or something. She found him. She loves this because she gets to boss him around. Yeah, she's hiding in the same spot. Why do kids do that? They hide in the same spot you just came from. They always do that. Hey, wow. What are you eating?
Kisses.
You eating kisses from your candy cane?
Yeah.
Sweet girl.
Sit down. I gotta sit down.
Yeah. If you are what you eat, then you're certainly sweet.
Yes.
Look at all those kisses.
Yes.
Is that your favorite thing to eat?
Come on, let's sit.
Let's sit.
Oh,
Wow.
it's ringing.
You're ringing them?
Mm.
Ding dong.
What?
What is it? Ah, welcome in, cold one.
My hat is cold too.
I can't feel my feet.
Even your hat is cold.
I can't even feel my hands.
Gosh.
We're out
Trick or
there
treat.
for a long time.
Yes, you
We
were.
were playing hide and seek.
Yeah, I saw
Dad
you.
could not find me. I found Dad all of the time.
Yeah.
Good job.
She's a good hider. She doesn't blend in really well.
Whoa.